create blank project, type the name of your project, click the start button. On the search bar, type the location or the address you want, for example, Tokyo. Zoom in, select the view you want, press Alt K on your keyboard and click and hold your mouse to tilt the map just like that. If you are satisfied, click the keyframe all attribute button. For the second keyframe, position your marker to the exact keyframe value you want, for example 200. Position your map. And then if you are satisfied, click the keyframe button. If you are done, click the render button to render your animation. After rendering the animation, automatically the Google Chrome browser will download the rendered file. If it's done, locate the zip folder in the download folder, unzip it, and it's ready to go.